Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes W205 2016 model. I'm just going to show you how you can reset your tire pressure monitoring system, so the TPMS. Once you've checked your tires and you adjusted the pressures, you need to reset the system, otherwise the system has the memory of the previous recording on your tires, which means if you change the tire pressures, you might get a warning. So it's a good idea to reset it again. So to reset it, ignition to position 2, and then with this button, press the home button here, and then go to, with the arrows here, go down to service, press OK, and then go down to tire pressure and press OK. So it says tire pressure will be displayed after a few minutes of driving. Just go down with the arrow here to see the rest of the message. Use current pressures as new reference values. It says confirm with OK. So press OK and that will confirm. Tire pressure monitor restarted. So now it's restarted on what you put on each tire. And now we can come out of that menu just to go back to trip, press OK, and that's it. So after you drive a few minutes, the system will record the new tire pressures. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.